So the next question goes, Shalom Kavalav, without an Eru, can one wear contact lenses outdoors on Shabbos if he can function without contact lenses but not see things so clearly? Additionally, can one use contact lens cleaning solution?
Contact lenses, there is no problem because they improve the vision. So same for example with glasses. So there is no difference with glasses. So for example, can I walk without my glasses? Yeah, I can walk. And so sometimes I do walk in the summer just to walk around all this not properly dressed women. You understand? But for me, it's more comfortable to see everything clear with my glasses. You understand? So it's Shabbos necessity. So it's since a person walks like this always, and it's helps him, so or her, there is no problem. Yeah, contact lenses, there is no problem. The problem is with reading glasses, because you don't need the reading glasses to walk on the street. You need the reading glasses to read from the book. So that's the issue. Another issue is the sunglasses. That's the big issue. So and people take it lightly, which is absolutely wrong. So if it's some people, okay. So what's the problem? So, it was I don't remember what day was it. So I was walking from the shul, and it was raining, like at night, like dark. Of course, we have street lamps, right? It was raining, and the guy was on a scooter with his baby, like on one scooter. I don't know, and he was wearing these sunglasses. Like it's dark, it's raining. The guy in sunglasses, like so this guy is wearing for a style, right? So he's such a stylish guy on a scooter. So in this case, it's absolutely forbidden. So, but if you have a medical problem, these eyes, sun rays can damage your eyesight. Absolutely, you're allowed to wear the glasses. But if it's only for a style, absolutely not. It's forbidden. Why? Because I also just said it's only a matter of time when you take out the glasses because it's too dark. You want to see something clearly, right? And you're going to walk 4 steps, right? Carrying these glasses in your hand, which is absolutely forbidden. But if it's a medical need, so there is a leniency. Okay. So that's and so for many people there is no such a necessity for these sunglasses. Okay. What else?
Our friend said additionally, can one use contact lens
solution?
Solution?
There is no problem. There is no problem because we wash hard surface. Of course, it's a little pliable, but it's still considered to be hard surface. There is no problem whatsoever. Yeah. Well, you're welcome.